Welcome to Code to Intelligence. Want to set up a local server for web development? In this video, you'll learn how to install XAMPP and run Apache and MySQL step by step. First, open your browser and search for XAMPP download. Click on the official XAMPP website and download the latest version for Windows. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. Click on Next and select the required components. You can keep the default options and click Next. Choose the installation folder. It is recommended to keep the default location. Click Next and start the installation process. Wait for the installation to complete. After installation, open the XAMPP control panel. Here you can see modules like Apache and MySQL. Now click on the Start button for Apache. Similarly, click Start for MySQL. Once both turn green, it means they are running successfully. Now open your browser and type localhost. You can see the XAMPP dashboard, which confirms that your server is working. If Apache does not start, it may be due to a port issue. In that case, you can change the port number in the configuration. Now XAMPP is successfully installed and ready to use for web development. In the next video, we will create our first PHP project using XAMPP. Subscribe to Code to Intelligence and continue your journey from code to intelligence.
Way, and here it says once again this Windows Defender firewall has blocked something, so click on allow access here and it's going to run as administrator and then click on yes. And once XAMPP starts, I'm going to try again, right? So I'm going to start running Apache and then I'm going to start the MySQL, and it's going to show me this message which says, do you want to allow this app to make changes on your device? I'm going to click on yes here, and now this time it's running. So if also go to your browser, and here you can just write 127.0.0.1 and then press enter, or you can just write localhost here instead of port 127.0.0.1. it will also work, and it's going to open this kind of dashboard. Here you can click on PHP My Admin and it's going to open the PHP My Admin where you can create your databases and tables. So I can click on databases here, which is going to open this, and then I can just write the name of the new database, for example, my new DB, for example, and then click on create. It's going to create this new database, and now I can create new table file using XAMPP server. Then you can go to the location where it's installed. So generally it's installed in C directory. You can go to XAMPP folder, and here there will be a folder called htdocs, and here whatever PHP file you add, it will be used on your server, right? So for example, I want to create a new route which will be called demo, so I'm going to just create a new folder here with the name demo, and then inside this folder I can create a new PHP file. So I can right click here, and then I can open this folder in Visual Studio Code or any other editor, and here I'm going to create a PHP file, for example hello.php, and then press enter. And now I just need to add a very simple hello world PHP script here, save this file, and then once again go to your web browser. You can just write localhost here, and then / demo, because this is the directory we have created, right? So whatever directory you have created, just give the path of that. So we have created this demo directory, and then we have created hello.php. So just write / hello.php here, and then press enter, and it's going to show you